So let's get started. Today we're going to do 3 different circles. And what I'm going to be teaching you is 3 different ways to actually start shading. Big thing here is with shading, that's going to be one of the most important keys if you want to stay being like a pencil black and white artist. Honestly, it helps a lot in color too. I mean, it's just a huge thing. So as you can see, I'm getting the circles ready. I'm going to mark them off. First one, do the second one, then we'll do the third one real quick. Now, a few things to note. I did speed this video up quite a bit, stuff like that. If you do want to see full-length videos, please let me know. So, in the center here, we're going to have our little light source, the light bulb. So, get that going. And then, once we get through kind of figuring that out, then we got to kind of sort out, how's the light going to hit this ball? Me personally, I like to get something to look at or something like that so I can kind of see how the light refracts or whatever the word is there. Long story short though, is with this example, with what I'm showing you, the big things to note is you need to identify where it's going to be darkest, where it's going to be a little darker, and where it's going to be lightest. Now, I will be showing you a technique in this video, one that I personally use quite a lot anytime I draw with pencil. One, I kind of measure, kind of get my eyeballs straight. Now, this ain't meant to be perfect for anybody. This is meant to show you right here. So I'm taking the tip of my finger and I'm pushing, not hard enough to where I can like go through the paper, but hard enough to where if I start rubbing my finger, you'll see the result. Automatically blended. Now, brand new pencil, brand new eraser. Always erase off the edge. That said, once you get through going through doing that, it's just a matter of kind of cleaning up and stuff like that. Like I say, this isn't meant to be perfect for you guys. This is just meant to show difference between ugly, just blank circle between something with a little bit of shading, stuff like that. It starts bringing it to life. My advice for anybody learning how to draw is to identify a simple object, be it like a little bouncy ball or something. Big thing to note would be sit down and draw it over and over and over. So, with the first one here, all I've done is a light blend. Big things to note is, as you can see, I'm going back with the eraser, kind of shaving a little bit out, kind of going back in, cleaning it up a little, straighten out, kind of give it a little life to it here. Now, mind you, this is all from just literally sitting down, goofing around. Then, once we kind of get through setting up where everything's supposed to be, the big thing to note is going to be the back part, like how I had that line. So on this one, we'll form it up. What we're looking at here is basically you've got to kind of think in your head, whenever it hits that corner, how's it going to curve? And then, with just a few simple blending, few marks, I mean, you've got yourself a decently shaded orb. On to step 2.